the storm to settle.
Good morning to the world. So today is on Friday. Today is maintenance day. Okay? So I am looking so sexy. I just woke up with all this energy. I've only done my Bible study and prayed, period. Now this is that thing what I say. Joy comes in the morning, and clearly that's it. So my first ever, the first thing that ever goes to my stomach when I wake up is water as usual. That's enough. So this vlog is something. So we are going to wash our utensils, prepare breakfast. Actually, I'm in the mood for, I did shopping yesterday. Where are those things? Oh my god. I'm in the mood for cooking breakfast for oops. I'm cooking breakfast for days. It was crazy. So I'm cooking sweet potatoes and yams. We'll boil all of them together. So let me get them and we do exactly that. Let me show you my dress. Here's my gorgeous dress, my beautiful self. Even here. That's it. That's it. Apparently, this dress is not meant to leave this house, so don't worry. So do not worry. I am not in for living on the know what? Last night I showered, and before I slept, I thought, see, today's I should sleep looking sexy, like a cupcake. This dress was it. I am loving, slowly loving dresses. So that's a thumbs up. Hey, I'm a professional cook. The cooking the thing that's gonna go inside here is serious. I need to wash all the sweet potatoes. Yeah. Oh, they're not so many. So I don't need this very big pot. Hey, I told you. Relatively. Now, this pot is giving housewife. Serious housewife. You see this? This is a better space. Much better. I feel so serious, by the way. So I'll move you guys. Yeah, good. Perfect. Okay. That's something for a minute and leave. Wasn't breathing. maombi amejibu kwa wakati Bwana amejibu haja jamani, Yesu amefanya, amejibu maombi, amejibu maombi, amejibu kwa wakati Bwana amejibu haja ya moyo.
I never see the lights out. They get me overdrive. Fancy on a fast car. This is how you make me feel. Don't stress me now. I got the other dose. I'm feeling it in my bones. And if you say that I'm lying to you, these habits are killing me. I wish I could fall asleep. The problem is you. Oh, I got the other dose.
Funny thing, I slept on the couch. Funny thing. I woke up feeling fresh. Oh my god. Okay, this my kabobis is showing a lot. And this my dress. I mean, I'm already fully dressed. Let me show you the outfit of the day. Yeah, so I have this white vest top that I am so in love with. This denim jacket in case it gets cold. This black pants, white shoes. But I'm going to change. I'm going to change the shoes. Yeah. So our breakfast is ready. So let me show you. Hey. Mwanga mbaya. yeah, they're okay. I'm in for a beautiful breakfast. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. It's hot, nearly Jamaica. It's painful. Thank God it's not like this where I would have peeled off. It would have been more painful. Let me prepare off the camera, then I show you. When I woke up, I was really in a good mood to have sweet potatoes and yam. But I'm preparing tea. So let me have honey. Let me apply the honey on the bread.
You are my overdose.
My nails done, buy hair, then get my hair done, go home, get my hair done. Yeah, so I have this package for my family and some water. See ya. Those are the shoes of today, my new shoes that I really love.
Tonight, I'm not safe here, just wanna feel alright without you. Don't stress me now, I got the overdose, I'm feeling it in my bones. And if you say that I'm lying to you, just tell me to
Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.